In this video, I am going to guide you about bookmarking pros on the HomeAdvisor app. Bookmarking helps you save your favorite professionals for quick access in the future. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the HomeAdvisor app on your device. 2. Log into your account if you have not already. 3. Search for the type of professional or service you need. 4. Browse through the list of available pros and select the one you want to bookmark. 5. Tap on the profile of the pro to view their details. 6. Look for the bookmark or save option on their profile page and tap it. 7. Confirm your action if prompted and the pro will be added to your bookmarked list. Using this feature helps you easily access and organize your preferred service providers for future reference. It streamlines your search and ensures quick access to trusted professionals.